Hi guys, so this is a very important video especially for these days as we see the wave of elections going on. So there is also a kind of instability prevailing in the nation as to how the market will perform when the BJP will again come into the power for the third term or any opposition party will take the power this time in the Lok Sabha elections 2024. So there is a kind of a trend prevailing in the market these days, because if the BJP will win, this will happen, or if the opposition party would win, so this would happen. People on the social media, they are making a guess that if the BJP would win, then the indexes would give the double digit returns, or if the BJP would lose, any other party would come into the power, then those indexes will show the decrement of almost 30% or so. Now to follow this trend and take the maximum advantage of this opportunity, even the people who were not involved in the investment and all, they have also dived in to take the maximum advantage of this opportunity. So in this video, I will tell you what the disadvantage it could bring to you while following the strategy or while following the trend which is told by the other persons. Now I tell you guys, following the investment trends, seeing that there is an opportunity, a very good opportunity can seem very appealing to you, especially in the case when others are experiencing a very high gains. Just like you all might have been seeing these days that on 4th June, if the BJP wins, the market will rush towards the positive side rapidly, and if it loses, the market will also crash down very high rate. But let me tell you guys that this strategy, this trend comes with a very high risk and has several disadvantages too. So let us start with our first disadvantage, that is market timing risk. In this, the number one factor is late entry. So what does that mean is that if you are following a trend and you are late in identifying in it, so by the time you will identify a trend, it is very much possible that it is not beneficial for you. The trend is already over, the returns have already been gained, those who have identified that trend earlier. Now the other point is the volatility. Now usually in these trends what happens is you buy something at a very large quantity and the selling rate is also very low. So this could majorly lead to a circuit and a huge amount of losses if the trend reverses. So the whole of your capital would be vanished in just one go. Now the second point is that these all are the superficial analysis. They basically rely on unknown sources for their strategy and do not have any fundamentals for their prediction. The next point is that they overlook fundamental analysis. There is no such analysis involved while they predict such stocks for the future that it will definitely have a long-term gain or not. So they are just relying on the guesses that this stock or this particular investment option could boom because of the election results. Now the next point talks about the mentality of the people, that is the herd mentality. Now as I told you earlier also, while taking into account no analysis, no strategy, no planning, people they tend to listen to the YouTubers, listen to the Telegram calls, and they make their decisions and buy at a very large quantities of a particular investment options, and they basically take their decisions emotionally, following no such analysis and expecting a very high gains, very high returns in a very short period of time. Now the next point says that they have a very irrational exuberance towards a particular stock, that they have got to know that it will boom after the results. So as a result of this, they do not diversify their portfolio, they invest their money in a particular stock. So as a result of this, they end up spending a lot of amount on a particular investment option, and they also don't take care into account the diversification of their portfolio, no diversification of portfolio, and which in turn results in an asset bubble. Now the other point which I want to tell you is that the high transaction costs which are involved in frequent trading of these stocks. So obviously, you know, when you invest in a particular investment option, you have some charges levied, you have the brokerage charge, and when you do the frequent of these trading, frequent of these investing options, then also you will have to give the high amount of charges in them. Also, you know, these brokerage firms, they take the commission charges when you invest so much high quantity of amount in the particular investment option. So this is also another cost burden to you. Now in these days guys, you have to be very careful that with these strategies, these predictions, they are on one side, but on the other side you have the very important thing which is called the market manipulation, which the operators or major players do. Now what they do is they follow a pump and dump scheme. Now what is this? The major operators are there which get to know the price of a particular investment option earlier, and they buy a particular asset in a very large quantity at a very cheap rates, and as they see the right opportunity, they sell whole of the quantity of their assets then and there. Now I think guys, you might be getting that how this chronology works, how this prediction thing works, and why these operators, they predict a stock at a particular time, and as they recommend a particular stock to the viewers, the people, they start buying the particular stock, its price rises, and as the price rises, the big players, they start selling the asset, and the asset value gets decreased and you go into huge losses. So guys, please try to understand that by doing this, the retailers or the small investors, they only go into huge losses. So I would recommend all of you is that you do your own research. Do not follow any social media trend. Do not follow any recommendation which is given to you by a third person. The major disadvantage of all of this is that they only focus on short-term goals. This reverses whole of the principle of investment, which focuses on long-term planning. The investment, it is meant for long-term, but following these short-term tricks, strategies will take you into huge losses. Now the another thing which comes into picture is the opportunity cost. Now when you focus in the such a stock, such a investment option, you take the opportunity, you take the risk, and that too in a unstable investment option which does not have any future prediction as to how it will perform, and you miss the opportunity cost of a stable investment option which could give you high returns in long term. So you should avoid these short term focuses and you should focus only on your long term investment options. Now guys, another major thing which comes into picture is the psychological stress which you will feel while listening to the prediction and following these strategies of so-called influencers. Now because of this, you guys can make out that you will have to constantly look into the charts, constantly monitor as to how that asset is performing with time, and you will have so much psychological stress that you will not be able to even sleep properly. You will constantly think, if the asset does not perform well, if the prediction goes wrong, then my whole capital will be wasted, will go into loss and will become zero. Following such predictions brings you an emotional roller coaster, and your mind constantly thinks about that whether I will become the star of nights or the star of the roads after 4th June. So guys, what I would advise you all is that for sake of your mental health, please stop listening to these advices. Now, as I told you earlier also, the performance volatility also plays a major role in this. On your prediction, if the particular asset performs well, then you will also get a very high returns in a very short period of time. But if in case it goes down, then you will have to suffer a huge loss. In these scenarios guys, no historical performance, no technical fundamental analysis is taken into account, and all the things work just on the basis of the guess, just on the basis of the prediction of the particular third person. Now last but not the least, we have diversification issues also involved in this. You have the concentration risk, like for example, if you invest a huge amount in a particular asset, then also you will not be able to invest in any other investment. Then you will definitely have a large concentration of your money invested in a particular investment option, and there is lack of diversification of your portfolio. Now usually while following these guesses, these predictions, you tend to ignore that what the particular sector is all about in which we are investing in, and you just listen to the advices and invest in that without having any knowledge of that particular sector. So guys, as your well-wisher, these all were the points which I wanted to tell you, which I wanted to get you aware, and I also feel guys that these points are more than enough to get you convinced to choose on your own, to follow your own strategy, your own plan. So guys, I would end this video with a caution for you all that in this time please be careful, please invest wisely, and do not listen to any social media influencers, YouTuber advices or predictions, or any telegram calls. And I really hope that this would make a very good impact, a positive impact in your investment planning, in making a right decision for you all, because I always think for your benefit. And I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, that is all for this video. Thank you guys.